Ta-da! Hello my lovely readers, welcome back. Today I brought you the Early Learning Library book. Ta-da! This is our books. We have read ABC 1, 2, 3, colors, fruits, vegetables, birds and animals. So today we are going to read about transport. Let's read. Let's see what are the transport that we know. Bicycle,
Bicycle,
car,
car,
motorcycle,
motorcycle,
scooter,
goose,
hovercraft,
overcast,
submarine,
family,
unicycle,
unicycle,
golf cart,
gold card,
airplane,
airplane,
blimp,
pinks,
helicopter,
helicopter,
hot air balloon,
hot air balloon,
tractor,
tractor,
dump truck,
dump trucks,
bus,
bus,
truck,
sack,
rocket,
rocket,
space shuttle,
big shepherd,
boat,
boat,
ship,
ship,
van,
van,
train.
train.
That's all. I hope you love this story to read with me and my lovely daughter. We will read again another learning book. Till then, love you all. Bye bye.
Booktube Kids.